Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer reviews with Trustpilot. Beginner guide step. To manage customer reviews with Trustpilot, start by creating a Trustpilot account. Visit the Trustpilot website and select the Get Started option. Fill out the necessary information to set up your business profile. Once your account is created, log in to your Trustpilot dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Begin by connecting your business to Trustpilot. Follow the instructions to verify your business information. After verification, explore the options to customize your profile. Add your logo, business description, and contact details. Next, focus on collecting reviews from your customers. Send personalized emails to encourage customers to leave feedback. You can also share a direct link to your review page on social media and your website. Monitor your incoming reviews from the dashboard regularly. Respond to each review, acknowledging customer feedback. Stay professional and courteous in your responses, whether the review is positive or negative. Use the insights provided by Trustpilot to analyze customer sentiment. Implement changes based on recurring themes or issues mentioned in the reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to share their positive experiences. Utilize Trustpilot widgets to showcase reviews on your website. This can enhance credibility and improve your online reputation. Lastly, stay informed about Trustpilot's tools and features as they evolve. Continuously refine your approach to managing customer reviews. This proactive strategy will help you build trust with your audience. By effectively managing reviews, you enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Remember to regularly engage with your customers through feedback channels. This will foster an environment of open communication and improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.